ClampStar Splice Repair Unit Installation Training Video Distribution Class Unit. For inline splices, ClampStars will provide full tension restoration and 250°C system uprating, allowing aged portions of infrastructure to be safely operated at temperatures well beyond their original design parameters. ClampStar Splice Repair Units are available in distribution class sizes and transmission class sizes. All ClampStar Splice units will restore the conductor connector system to full tension. This installation will be done using a distribution class unit. Prior to installing the ClampStar, the conductor must be properly prepared by brushing the area that will be in contact with the ClampStar unit. Inhibitor is preloaded from the factory in the conductor grooves of the ClampStar and on the keepers as required. No other inhibitor is to be used. Before placing the ClampStar unit on the conductor, loosening the nuts may be necessary to ensure the keepers are opened wide enough to accept the conductor. In addition to glove installation, ClampStar units are designed to be installed with hot sticks or shotgun sticks. Place the ClampStar unit on top of the conductor with the splice centered between the left and right side of the unit. Snug up one or two fasteners to maintain the unit's position. Distribution class ClampStar units are supplied with unique nuts designed to shear at the appropriate torque level. The torque limiting nut negates the need for a torque wrench, assures that proper fastener torque is achieved, and also provides inspectors a means to verify proper installation. To reduce installer fatigue and save a substantial amount of time, the use of power drivers, such as rattle guns or remote-controlled snake guns, are recommended. The nuts may be tightened with a 9/16 inch or 15 mm socket for the smallest ClampStar unit, number 0325, or 3/4 inch or 19 mm socket for the larger ClampStar units. Beginning at the innermost fastener, tighten the nuts in a linear fashion, equivalent to the number of layers of aluminum stranding over the core. For example, assume a conductor has 2 layers of aluminum stranding over 7 steel core strands. Apply torque to each nut in succession, one time, with the second application of torque continuing until the head snaps off. Depending on which distribution class ClampStar unit is being installed, this will occur at either 25, 45, or 55 foot-pounds of torque, or 34, 61, or 75 Newton meters. This splice is now permanently corrected.